Okay, today we're going to talk about NAD plus and NAC. You may not know what these are, and I'm going to discuss them with you and why they're important in terms of wound healing and overall aging process. I'm Bienstock. I'm a board-certified plastic and reconstructive surgeon. My specialty is wound care, particularly for those that are homebound and bedbound that can't leave the home to go to a doctor's office, institution, or a hospital. So we already went over basic supplements such as zinc, vitamin C, selenium, and L-arginine. Today we're going to talk about NAC and NAD plus. These have very long names, which if I tried to pronounce them under pressure, I'd probably mess up. So for our sake, we'll put them in the print below. They're both very important in people that are aging, and NAC is really important in terms of glutathione production, which helps with oxidative stress. Well, that's a very fancy word. What does that mean? It just helps with antioxidation, meaning relieving stress and inflammation. Why is this really important? It's just very important in the overall process. Stress and inflammation can occur with polycystic ovarian syndrome, and NAC has been known to help with this, as well as fertility in men. Men sometimes can have decreased sperm production, as well as motile sperm, and NAC has been known to help with this. Some has been supported in the literature, some is just known anecdotally. It helps with the liver in terms of relieving the stress and toxins. It helps with mental function as well as repair. So let's go to NAD plus. NAD carries different elements. It's basically a coenzyme. NAD plus supplements help with NAD and NADH. I'll leave a diagram below in terms of how the mechanism works. It's not super complicated, but very difficult to explain in the 2 to 3 minute video. It's really important and comes in different forms, but the most common form is true niagen. The most important thing is when you get older, NAD levels reduce, meaning its ability to repair is diminished because of this, and it really helps. NAD plus supplements really help in terms of the coenzyme effect with aging and mental health, and I really recommend this in my patients who are cognitively impaired or on the verge of getting cognitively impaired, either with dementia or just cognitive dysfunction, and it is really beneficial in Parkinson's patients. It does help with other repair processes, but really you see it helping with repair and aging, all mechanisms, whether it's muscle, stressful responses, but particularly with the mental capacity. So both NAD and NAC are really important. They may not have specific roles in helping with wound healing, but they're really important in help relieving stress and inflammation, as well as helping with mental health and overall growth and being, particularly when you get older. If you have any questions or comments about NAD plus and NAC, please leave them below. I welcome any suggestions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and share with your friends when you get a chance. Thank you.